Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol MMAT for Metamaterials Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. Hello, my old friend. It's been a while since we talked about Metamaterials. We were covering extensively as it was doing this, as well as this sort of significant run higher in here. But over the past number of months, really 2-3 months, it's just been in a sort of downtrend grind lower, not really doing anything significant, sort of waking up on today's session with a nice bull flag that formed on the 30. We'll get to that in just a second, but I did want to leave it zoomed out so you can just recognize that we are underneath that prior floor of support, that 308. Again, you can see that here on the 30-minute time frame. So to me, it's not like it's overwhelmingly bullish, right? It's not like a switch just flipped. There we go. And all of a sudden, this thing is bullish. Sure, there's some bullish activity here on a smaller time frame, but from the daily, nothing really significant has unfolded, right? So zooming back in, you can see a small uptick in volume on today's session, and obviously we are breaking out of a 3 or 4 day range here with a close outside. So is there potential for follow through higher? Yeah, absolutely. In that instance, we're looking for that 308 target, which we pointed out, and it's just a thing of beauty, right? We had that level mapped in from way, way long ago. Notice how it supported here when we broke it, resistance 1, 2, and 3 to the penny almost here inside of metamaterial. So I would watch out for that as a significant resistance at the 308. If it does break, let's say that there's a massive follow through day tomorrow, there's just incredible volume coming in, like, north of 50 million shares on the day, then yeah, maybe something like that could happen. Our next target would be at 375. Let's take a closer look at the 30-minute intraday now just to see what other type of indications we can read here. Coming in with our Fibonacci's from low to high, what you will notice is that we did get healthy bull flag consolidation into the end of the day. We're still above that 278. Now, yes, in the post-market, we're a little bit lower, 281, so we're sort of around this in here. But overwhelmingly, it's not like we're way underneath that 38.2, closer to a 100% retracement. So going forward in this name, what you're watching for is just continued healthy bull flag consolidation. Can we change the trend from a smaller time frame chart? So we're going to remove that, and then we're going to scrunch it up a little bit. And ultimately what we're looking for, correct, would be, is this going to hold as a double bottom? We know that our neckline is kind of right here coming from this. Can we get that healthy bull flag to form here? Can we start forming another newer, higher high and use this area roughly in here, the neckline, as well as the 38.2? Let's throw it on with an official level. So use this zone, right, as a new zone for a higher low, something that would look like that. If there is even further pullback in the first place, so we get low, higher low, now we would need a higher high to truly change the trend from the 30-minute time frame. So that's ultimately what I'm watching out for here inside of metamaterials. Any pullbacks need to hold this zone of 278 down to 273. If that happens, fantastic. We would then need a new higher high up and over 295, today's highs of days, for follow through to the upside. Again, I want to reiterate here that the flag pattern does look fantastic, and it's still happening above our neckline that we pointed out. So the chart looks like it could be turning, but there is still a lot of work to be done, especially from the daily time frame. That's really going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.